Hello students, let us learn lesson number 7 Khashaba Jadhav. Before learning the lesson, let us look at this slide and let us know about the picture. First picture is of medals, gold, silver and bronze, and these 5 circles represent Olympic Games. Next picture is of wrestling, then long jump, swimming, running, kabaddi and gymnastics. These games are some of the games which are included in the Olympic Games. Now let us learn our lesson. Lesson number 7, page number 13. Khashaba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletics events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastics events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. In the first picture, we have seen different games. If you don't know the games by names, we have seen the picture in the first slide. Now, here we are getting information about the games and which games, the games which are included in Olympic. And to get Olympic medal, it is a honor itself. Means when you achieve something and when you win a medal in Olympic, it is really a great honor, and that winner is considered to be a world champion because different countries participants participate in this game. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Khashaba Jadhav, and it is not easy to win medal in Olympic Games, but a person from our Maharashtra has won the medal and his name was Khashaba Jadhav. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Khashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Khashaba. Here we are getting information about Khashaba's family. He was born in a poor family, means their economical condition was not good, and he was born in Goleshwar. It is the name of a village in Satara district, and his family loved sport, means they like to watch and play the sport. We will see more information about it in our next paragraphs. And his father was Dada Sahib and he had 5 sons, and the youngest of them was Khashaba. His father taught all his sons wrestling and they were all good, but among them, who was the best? Khashaba. From an early age, Khashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bout from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulders and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon, it became clear that he was also the best not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. From an early age, means when he was a child, he started to watch wrestling bouts. That bout means what? Competition, wrestling competitions. And when he was 4 years old, he used to go to watch match, that watch bouts, wrestling bouts. And when he became 10 years old, he started to play in akhada. Akhada means where the place where these wrestling bouts are played, and he became the best in that field. Khashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mallakham, running, swimming, and gymnastics. He took part in all of this. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. As we have seen in the previous paragraph that Khashaba was good, and not only good, but he was the best in wrestling bouts, but he loved other sports also. Fond of means what? Liked. He liked other sports also, and he liked to discuss about sports with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Khashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Now we are getting information about his college, about his study. He studied in Rajaram College in Kolhapur, and in that college wrestling was encouraged, and because of that Khashaba took part in many wrestling bouts. So he got more experience, and after that he participated at state level also, and after that national level too. Khashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. As we see this progress from state level to national level and then to international level, it is not it is not easy at all, because you have to prove yourself at every level, and by completing all levels Khashaba entered into international level, that is Olympic Games. And how? Because he beat the national champion, and who was that? Niranjan Das in 1948. When Khashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Khashaba Jadhav won a sixth place out of 42. As I said, it is not easy to participate in international level. We see that difficulty in third paragraph, that when we practice, or in that time the practice was done in earthen pit, means if you have seen that akhada in TV or watched some pictures in printed media, it is like soil, it is a kind of soil, and that practice is done in that pit. But when you play international level, you should play on a mat. So, and the most important thing was that rules which were followed in India was different than international level. So it was difficult for Khashaba, but he got sixth place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Khashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again. But it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. And we are getting information about Olympic here, that these games are held after every 4 years. And after 1948, it was taken place on 1952. This time also Khashaba wanted to take part, but it was not easy task. Why? Because just because of he had got sixth place in 1948, it was not easy for him, because he wanted to prove himself again that he is the best player. Also in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Khashaba did not have that much money, and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Khashabaz village also helped. And another difficulty was to get money. As we know, his family was not in good economical conditions. So if you want to, means in those days, if you want to participate in Olympic games, you'll have to bear all the expenses there. You have to spend your own money for that, and he could not afford it. But some people helped him from his village, and his college principal also helped him. How? He gave his own house to get the money, means because of principal also he got some money, and his other people in village also helped him to go and participate in Olympic. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Khashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first five bouts quite easily. He won each bout within 5 minutes. And he has got a chance to go there to participate in Olympics, where Helsinki is the name of a city, and he had opponents from Russia and Gulf countries. But even then, means uh, they must be good or best, but Khashaba beat them. And how he did it? He did it very easily, as he won each bout within 5 minutes only. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Khashaba lost the match by just 1 point. And here we are getting information that he was playing that bout with Japan's participant, and they were both well matched, means they were equal at their skills, and that's why that bout lasted for 15 minutes, and Khashaba lost it by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rules. According to the rules, Khashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. And here something happened which was not good for us as Indian, because Khashaba was told to play the next bout with Soviet wrestler, and it was against the rule, as rule was that after a bout you should get at least half an hour rest, but before that Khashaba was told to play it. Khashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. But uh, see, here is very, uh, we can call it very kind of good news for us, that Khashaba won the bronze medal. If he could have got the rest of half an hour, we could get the gold medal. But because of that wrong decision, or some went against the rules, and Khashaba had to play the bout, he lost in the bout with Soviet wrestler. When Khashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhols. Dhols, it is kind of a musical instrument. We call dhol in Marathi also. So when Khashaba returned with bronze medal in his village, where, yes, correct, in Goleshwar, 151 bullock carts were waiting for him. Khashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money, not for himself but for the principal who had given his house for sending Khashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back again, and as we have got information on the last page, that is page number 14, some people helped him, and his principal gave his own house to raise the money. And Khashaba was not selfish at all, because when he got money after playing first bout, and he played it to raise money, to get money. To raise money means what? To get money. And when he got enough money, he gave it to principal to get back his home again. Khashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honors for our motherland? When we compare Khashaba Jadhav's game or those days, today's situation is completely different, because uh, some good players are getting sponsorship, but in those days that was not possible at all, because every person means who wanted to participate in the Olympic games, they had to bear their own expenses. In this way, we have got information about Khashaba Jadhav, proud who made proud to us. Now let us see the exercise. These are the questions here. These are the question answers. Question 2 is of listening it and writing the words. Question 3 also, you are asked to copy those words in your notebook. Question 4 is to make other words from the word. And question 5, you should find odd man out. Means, let us see it. What does it mean? I have given the answer here. Let us read the question. It is a question about the pronunciation, how we pronounce it, because when we see the words catch, match, watch, the spelling is similar but the pronunciation is different. Catch, match, watch. So watch is different. So this is odd man. In question 2, some come home. The spelling is same. So we should not say it som, com. It is wrong. So some come home. Home is wrong. Likewise, you should try to pronounce the words correctly. And if you are pronouncing the words correctly, you will get the right answers. Question 6. Here are some question words in the bracket. So you should make a question out of it. For example, first is what, and the sentence is Khashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. We should make the question using word what. So question will be, what did Khashaba love to watch? In this way, we have finished the lesson and exercise too. Study it properly. Thank you.